Welcome to the Priyanka Rattawa show. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to make Chinese roti or roti noodles. It's an Indo-Chinese recipe made using leftover rotis or chapatis, and it is perfect for breakfast, evening snack, or your kids' lunchbox meal. We eat rotis every day, and there are days when we have leftover rotis. I try to use it the next morning with some fixes, and this recipe is a hit and loved by everyone. Even Arushi loves to take it in her lunchbox. I have some chapatis or roti. Let's roll it. And then cut it into thin slices like this. Loosen it with your hands, and this makes our easy peasy noodles. One good thing about this recipe is that you make your own healthy noodles. In a pan, pour some oil, chopped ginger and garlic. Sauté until it changes its color. Next goes in onions, carrots, French beans. Sauté at high flame until they are soft. I like to keep my veggies a bit crunchy. If you're packing this for your kids' lunchbox, make sure you add their favorite vegetables. Red bell peppers, capsicum, tomatoes. Stir and cook until the tomatoes turn soft. Let's season with salt, red chili powder, black pepper powder, soya sauce, and tomato ketchup. Mix well. Next, add our roti noodles and toss nicely so that the noodles are well coated with the sauce. This looks mouth-watering. Add spring onion greens, coriander leaves, and give it a toss. This is ready to eat. So we make healthy Chinese roti or roti noodles by replacing the store-bought noodle. This is an easy way to make kids eat the rotis and veggies which usually they don't like to eat. Do give it a try and let me know your experience in the comment section. Let's plate it as I can't wait anymore. Our Chinese roti is ready. Let's pack our lunchbox. Here is the lunchbox. Noodles, mangoes, pretzels, and dates. A complete meal in a box. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. Subscribe to Akshay Foods and please don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the notification of my latest videos. Eat healthy and stay happy. See you next time. Bye bye.